Moen Arbor Matte Black MotionSense Wave Sensor Touchless One-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet featuring Power Clean 7594 EWBL. Brand, Moen. Recommended uses for product, kitchen. Mounting type, countertop. Finish type, matte. Material, metal. Color, matte black. Number of handles, 1. Included components, 6 AA batteries, control box, deck plate, flexible supply lines with 3/8-inch compression fittings, instruction manual, kitchen faucet. Hole count, 1. Special feature, pull-down sprayer. About this item. 1 sensor. MotionSense Wave features single-sensor touchless activation, allowing you to easily turn the water on and off with a hand wave. Power Clean. Power Clean spray technology provides 50% more spray power versus most other pull-down faucets without the Power Clean technology. Batteries included. Includes 6 AA batteries, eliminating the need for a dedicated outlet. Optional AC power available. Retractable. Equipped with the reflex system for smooth operation, easy movement, and secure docking of the spray head. Easy to install. The touchless kitchen faucet features Duralock Quick Connect system for easy installation in 1 or 3-hole sinks. Bold statement. Matte black finish adds a touch of sophistication to any room. The Moen Arbor Matte Black MotionSense Wave Sensor Touchless One-Handle Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet is a revolutionary addition to your kitchen that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design. This faucet is perfect for modern kitchens, offering a seamless blend of style and functionality. The touchless feature, powered by Moen's innovative MotionSense Wave sensor, allows for hands-free operation, making it an ideal choice for busy households. Simply wave your hand to activate the water flow, ensuring a more hygienic and convenient kitchen experience. Designed with practicality in mind, the Moen Arbor faucet features a pull-down sprayer that provides maximum reach and flexibility. The Power Clean technology delivers 50% more spray power compared to other faucets without the Power Clean technology. Whether you're rinsing vegetables, filling pots, or cleaning the sink, the powerful spray head ensures efficient water usage and superior performance. The single-handle design allows for easy temperature and flow control, while the single-hole installation offers a clean and uncluttered look on your countertop.